Hello, my beautiful people and lovers of Yoruba Nollywood movies. Today, we are diving deep into what you expect in part two of this blockbuster traditional Nigerian movie, Iyunade. Trust me, you don't want to miss this because things are about to get shocking, juicy, and full of twists. Sorry about how my voice is sounding. It's a little bit of cold and catarrh. So far, we've seen how Iyunade, the mysterious baby from the bush, and Ajadi the stranger arrived in the king's town, in Odunlade Adekola's town. So Ajadi has already been welcomed like some hero, some kind of hero, thanks to the king's priest predicting that a stranger will save them from the wicked man controlling the land. And we saw Iyunade showing off her spiritual power, even though most people don't know who she really is. Although it is not very obvious right now. Now in part 2, you should expect everything to get heated. First, let's talk about Ajadi and Adeshewa, the king's daughter. We also saw the palace scandal where the gods got together, where the king heard the money of his daughter inside Ajadi's room. Yep, that's just the beginning. Now let's see, will the king forgive this betrayal of Ajadi, or will he take drastic action that could change everything in the kingdom? I know the king needs Ajadi at the kingdom right now because they said the stranger will be their savior, and he actually thought Ajadi should be this stranger. So I think right now he might not do anything to Ajadi. He might still wait until everything is settled in the kingdom before melting his judgments on him. Meanwhile, Iyade's true power are about to shine. Those who mock her or try to gossip her will soon feel her wrath in ways no one can imagine. She's not an ordinary girl. She's destined to be the one to help defeat the evil man. I am very sure of that. But will the king ever realize this? Because they don't even know that there's another stranger in the land. Expect dramatic twists, shocking betrayals, and secret alliances. People you think are friends might just turn out to be enemies. And that this greed and charm could put him in danger as well. And Inuade's hidden identity might just shake the entire kingdom to its core. And here's the juicy part. That rain that started the day they arrived wasn't just a coincidence. Nature itself is showing signs that something big is about to happen. But what I am very, very sure of is that it is not Ajadi's presence that brought this peaceful rain to that kingdom. I am sure it is Inuade's presence. But will the evil man finally face his doom, or will the kingdom fall deeper into chaos before salvation comes? If you thought part 1 was full of surprises, I will tell you right now that part 2 is going to blow your mind away. Expect love, lust, power, struggles, spiritual battles, and maybe even revenge that no one saw coming. So my people, sit tight, grab your popcorn, and make sure you don't blink because every scene in part 2 will leave you screaming no way. Comment below if you are ready for the next chapter and hit that like button if you think Iyunade is going to save the day. Trust me, you will not believe what happened next. So in the comment section, you can also drop what you expect to see in part 2 of Iyunade. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and most importantly, share this video and tell them to subscribe so you can get notification whenever new updates drops. Thank you for watching once again. I love you all.